Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you doing, man?
I'm doing fine, thank you. My name is Lorna. What is your name?
Yeah, my name is Amit, and I'm from
Amit,
India.
where are you from?
I'm from India.
Wow, amazing. I haven't had a student from India in a long time. It's nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you, man. Yeah. So where are you from?
I'm originally from Hawaii. Do you know Hawaii?
Yeah, I heard about that. Yes.
Yeah, nice. But right now I live in Indonesia.
Okay, sounds great.
Yeah. Yeah, and how about you? Which city or which area do you live in India?
Yeah, I live in Kolkata. Have you heard about that city? It's part of India.
I don't think. Could you say it one more time?
It's Kolkata.
Oh, Calcutta. Okay. And what are you doing in Calcutta? Are you working or going to school there?
No, actually, I did some students, I did some students, beginner level students for spoken English purpose. Yeah, and I'm also right. Hmm.
Nice. I'm so sorry. I think the sound connection, I'm somehow it's going in and out.
Okay, just hold a minute, ma'am. Is it okay, ma'am? Hello.
Yes. Okay. It's much more clear. So I'm so sorry. I didn't hear that. So Amit, if you could please tell me again, did you say that you were going to school in Calcutta?
No, no, ma'am. I'm not going to school. Actually, I have completed my masters, and right now I'm job seeker. Apart from this, I teach some students as a tutor for beginner level students. Yes.
Wow. Okay. And are you you said did you already get your master's degree? Is that what you said?
Yes, yes. I got master degree.
Wow, amazing. And what was your studies in? What topic?
Yeah, I have completed masters in Bengali literature. You know Bengali language.
Yes, Bengali language, yes.
Yes, yes. I have completed on that. Like, have you heard about Rabindranath Tagore? Rabindranath Tagore.
I don't think I heard that yet.
He is a great, famous poet of India. He got Nobel Prize for songs offering. Mhm.
Ah, okay, nice. So your specialty of education is Bengali language.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
are you trying to, you said you were a job seeker. Are you looking for a job, maybe like teaching at a university or something like that?
Yeah, I'm looking for job, especially for school level. Secondary, higher secondary level, 10, 12 standard students. Mhm.
Ah, okay, nice. And what other goals or dreams do you have for 2023? So we're in the new year,
Yeah.
2023. Yeah. So what are some things you would like to do or achieve this year?
Okay, thank you for asking, ma'am. And first of all, I'd like to wish you a great happy new year. So about me, I want to achieve my different kinds of goal. Actually, I have said I want to open my own institute for spoken English, especially beginner level or intermediate level at the initial level. So after that, I will upgrade it in advanced level. So I'm learning right now. So apart from this, I teach some students as well. Mhm.
Wow, amazing goals. So is it that you want to have an in person, like an actual school in Calcutta for helping people to learn English?
Yeah, not in school. Actually, my goal is for opening my own institute or coaching. It's for a kind of entrepreneurship.
Entrepreneurship. Wow. Okay. And are there many in your city that are trying to better their English skills?
Yeah, definitely. A lot of Indians they are really fond of learning English
Yeah.
because of in India it's not only second language, even third language. It's
Yeah.
a main official language, and that is the language we can communicate with India wide because we are a diverse country here, right? Especially Indians are really fond of go outside for job purpose, education purpose.
Yeah.
So we have that huge demand for this language.
Yeah. Amazing. Very good. You did a good job explaining that, Amit. Very nice.
Okay.
Yeah. And would you say that you mentioned that you consider yourself an entrepreneur? So you want to start your own course for learning English. So do you see that as something that you can achieve soon? Like do you have some things in place already to start this new course?
Yeah, I have not started yet, but it is personally in my locality. But I have bigger plans, so let's see what will happen. Yeah, I'm waiting
Oh,
for the best one. Yes.
yeah, nice. Okay. Well, I think that's amazing because I agree with you that English is the language of business and commerce and international and all of that.
Yep.
Yeah, for sure. Have you
Yep.
got a chance to travel to some other Western countries like UK or US? Anything?
Not yet, ma'am, but I would love to go there, especially US and UK, and English-speaking country and European country. So definitely, I love to go there. Yes.
Nice.
So,
Yeah.
have you ever been to India, ma'am?
No, speaking of India, yeah, my husband and myself, we really wanted to go because we have a friend in Kerala. Am I saying it correct? Is it Kerala?
Yeah, south part of India.
South part of India. Yes, yeah. So he had come to Hawaii, where our home, and we became good friends with him. And then he now, of course, he lives with his family back in Kerala. And so, yeah, we would like to go, but so what is
Yeah,
there to see
definitely,
in?
ma'am.
Yeah, and what about Calcutta? What are the famous things to see in your city? Like
I
what
hear a
type
lot
of
of famous
landmarks?
things.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah, here are a lot of famous things. It is called a city of joy, and one of the oldest city, and it's fastest metro city in India. And here is a lot of things like historical places, monument you can see here in Victoria Memorial, even
Oh.
hanging
Not
bridge here.
necessarily
Like
an advanced level of speaking, but what you will find, is if you're having conversations in business with native English speakers, they might pop out some idioms